What's up, Vikings? Well, here we are at our very final assembly. Not how I thought it would go down, but let's make the best out of it. Thank you for coming to all of the assemblies throughout the year and supporting me, as well as my fellow officers and all of your peers. I hope to look back on the positives of this year and remind you of all that we have been through together. Thanks.
Hey Vikes, this has been such an incredible year. I know that I've grown in so many ways and had so many awesome experiences, and that's thanks to all of you. You know, originally I walked into this year wanting and hoping to be able to make all of your lives better and hopefully give you some awesome experiences, but really it's been the opposite. You've all done that for me. I've had an unforgettable year, and that's been because of all of you. I just want to say thank you for that. I also want to say I know that this year's been hard, especially the end of it, and it hasn't ended like we wanted it to. And I know that it's natural to think about the potential opportunities and experiences that we've missed out on. Try to not think about those experiences and rather think about the experiences that we were able to have this year, such as raising $58,000 for Vikings Give or beating Davis and Farmington in football. So try to reminisce and think about the awesome things that we were able to accomplish and do. I love you all so much, and I wish you the best. And I want you to remember, Vikings stronger forever. And now to continue Viewmont tradition, I'd like to pass the sword of Viewmont on to next year's student body president, Whitney Keller. I'm so excited for her, and I know that she's gonna do awesome things next year and make it a great year for you guys. So, love you.
Well, here you go.
Thanks.
Yeah, for sure. Mm-hmm.
Hey Vikes! I'm so excited for next year. Obviously this year hasn't gone the way any of us thought it would, but I'm excited to come back to school and see everyone. If there's one thing I've learned during this time, it's that Vikings are really stronger together. Throughout all of this, we've managed to keep in touch and look at the bright side of this situation. I saw how much fun we could have during this school year, not as separate classes, but as one big group. I think next year it'll be important for us to stay as one big group and to make Viewmont stronger than it already is. I'm excited for us to make next year the best it can be. As we lead into next school year, I know we'll use every opportunity to grow from each other and realize that we're stronger than anything that is thrown at us. I just want to say thank you to Gabe and all the other officers for all they've done, not just the lunchtime activities or the dances, but the behind the scenes things like going to meetings and just giving their time. And I'd also like to thank the seniors for just showing us that there's a reason to smile even in the hardest times. I just know that we're stronger as one, so can't wait to see you guys next year, Vikes, and once a Viking, always a Viking.
Hello Vikings, Principal Smith here. For the past 2.5 months, this has been the vision of Viewmont High School. Empty halls, empty classrooms, empty commons, empty athletic spaces. For too long, we have been without you. And although we have missed you physically, the memories of your faces, your kindness, your energy, your resilience, your academic success, and your athletic success and effort has stuck with all of us, the teachers, the staff, and the administration. Keep in mind, even though your year had been cut short and there were things that you weren't allowed to do, things that were taken away from you without your control, know that the memories of Viewmont High School will stay with you forever. And those of you that have made the impact on our school and on our community will never be forgotten. Sophomores and juniors, we cannot wait to see your faces again and get you back in this wonderful place. And seniors, we wish you the best of luck and know you will never be forgotten.
Latest on the gun range fire.
Epidemic consuming this country.
5.7 magnitude earthquake.
Home of Area 51.
If we see some aliens, that'd be really cool.
Killer hornets.
And officials are taking it seriously.
A lot's happened, and a lot's changed. Yet one thing never will. Our memories together.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Can we bring yesterday back around? Cause I know how I feel about you now. Hold on, cause I'm letting go. I'm gonna lasso your heart like a rodeo. I'm gonna give you some till you want some more. Cause all I see is an open door, and I see where it's leading.
write you a song with just a hint of pain for the feeling that I get when you are gone. I wanna write you a song.
Excuse me. All I want is some sausage.
Oh, we all know the story never ends. The story never ends.
Hashtag no filter.
Only half a blue sky, kinda there but not quite. I'm walking around with just one shoe. I'm half a heart without you. I'm half a man at best, with half an arrow in my chest. I miss everything we do. I'm half a heart without you. 'Cause I feel my life is better, so is the world we're living in. I'm thankful for the time I spent with my best friend. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go.
So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your
life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind.
I hope you had the time of your life.
Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
Thanks, Vikes.
Incredible year.
We started
The year with the saying,
Vikings.
stronger together.
Which turned into
Vikings.
Healthier apart.
But now,
Let's end
This year as
Vikings.
stronger.
Forever.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life.
Thank you guys for giving me this opportunity.
You made this year awesome.
and we'll remember it forever.
We love you guys.
Thank you to everyone who made this year so special.
It was unforgettable, not just because of how the end of the year went, but because of everything that happened all year.
And peace out, Vikes.
Remember, once a Viking, always a Viking.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life.